All right, you guys, don't you hate it when you've got like almost a full tube of PL, but it's been sitting for like 6 months and you need to get that little chunk out of there? So what I like to do for that is I will grab a screw and screw it into the glue lump. So sometimes when you're lucky, you can actually pull this out. Sometimes when you're lucky, you can actually pull out the whole glue lump without having to cut the tube shorter. Okay, and then I'll usually grab a pair of linesmans. Okay, we got a big chunk of it out. That's good. Good start. Let's see if we can get some more out. Because I would like, I don't know if I will be able to, because this goes way down in there. But I'll be pretty happy if I can get it out of this tube without having to cut the tube wider. Oh, it broke.
It's right in there.
Yeah. Oh, it's a hard lump of glue. Sometimes you can even do it little bit by little bit. We at least got it to move. So let's see if we can get a smaller chunk of it out. And if this doesn't work in the next minute or two, then what I'm going to do is cut it a bit wider. Almost. Let's lose about a little bit off. Because I just hate it when these get so short that you can't use them. So this is still fully usable for the job that I need to do. And we haven't had to cut it off down to like right here or something. So it can be a bit of a fight. There we go. See, so that's it. We still have plenty of usable piece, and we got this out. Let's just see if this is actually usable glue back in here now, or if the whole thing was dry. No, there's another chunk. Let's see if we can get that. Holy. Oh, there it is. That was it. Now let's see if we have usable glue here. Yeah, awesome. So that's how you do it, you know? Or you can cut it down to like ½ an inch there and be messing around with this useless little nub of a caulking gun. So yeah, that's how you salvage an old tube of PL. So hopefully you got something out of this video. I hope you guys are doing well. And yeah, till the next one. Now I got to use it and install some trim.